What's up, guys? Gonna do a quick unboxing of a couple lights from Atomic LED. I got them for my 7.3 Powerstroke through Wicked Warnings. If you're gonna get them, I would recommend going through them. George over there, he knows the stuff. He's really helpful. But gonna see what comes in the box when you order the stuff here. This is the cab light kit. It's the Platinum Edition. It's supposed to be super good and better than the old ones, and you know, whatever. And then I got the third brake light as well. I got both of them, both sets with the amber warning and the clear lens, just because I need as much light coming out of them as possible. And actually, right now the smoke ones I think are on back order, so it works out. But yeah, just packaging alone, I would say is you know, definitely showing the quality here. I mean, this almost feels like something an iPhone should come in. How fancy that is. But I got some paperwork here, and this is the. Oh, there's your flasher, your wiring harness. All those goodies right there. Isn't this neat? They're all individually packaged. I haven't read up on how to install these yet, so I might do an install video, I might not. Usually when I'm working on the truck, I'm pretty focused, so. That is the animal right there. Now, the Platinum Edition doesn't have any exposed screws, and I guess the LEDs are a lot brighter, and you can tell that they are a little better quality than the old ones just by looking at them. But should be pretty easy install. We'll get to that. Even if I don't do an install, I'm definitely going to do a video showing the finished product. Flash patterns, all that stuff. So check that out. This is hard to do with one hand. I'm not a professional unboxer, can you tell? Here's the third brake. Pretty straightforward, plug and play. You've got your wiring and your switch down there. That looks pretty nice. Definitely doesn't look or feel cheap. Like a lot of times you get that stuff off of eBay and it, you know, you can just tell it's really cheaply made, but this is actually got a nice weather seal there. So, keep an eye out. I'll be having another video coming out here in another couple days with the finished product. Alright, man. Thanks. Have a good one.